Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please watch to the very end as I show you how to make woolen flower with hair comb. Count out 5 teeth from the comb and wrap around the first color of wool for 3 times. Continue in upward direction. Now that you are the middle, still continue wrapping 3 times, but this one in downward direction. After that, you tie to secure. The next thing to do is to tie the second color of wool from the second teeth of the comb. Wrap around there 5 times to make visible combination. Pull the woolen design out from the comb and make the little pieces 6. At this point, join the 6 pieces together to make a beautiful woolen flower. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have not done so. Sew in a medium-sized bead at the middle to make the flower seamless and more beautiful. I know you guys will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. I will surely see you all soon.